Hey guys, today I just checked the mail and I was expecting a package. My very first GoPro is here and I'm getting ready to unbox it right now. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Okay, today I'm going to do an unboxing of a GoPro Hero 5 session. This is what I ordered from eBay. And then for the first time, I will have a real camera, I guess. I mean, I had been using an iPhone 7 Plus, 128 gigabytes. Which is shooting this video right now, and it's what I've been shooting my videos with. It can go all the way up to 4K, 30 frames a second. But I'm shooting at 1080p HD, 60 frames a second. But I've ordered a GoPro here. This is not brand new, but very good condition. That's in bubble wrap. Inside, also inside the box, is just instructions from the seller. Basically, if you have any kind of problems with the camera, to contact them. You know, don't give bad feedback first because they want a chance to resolve it. And that's totally understandable. Because once you start just giving out bad feedback on eBay for no reason, then, you know, that could really harm someone's reputation. And even if they're trying to be a good person. So when someone's trying to be good to you, don't be mean to them. That's common sense. Okay. Here's a stand, a GoPro stand. That's cool. And I guess these are like sticky mounts. I really don't know the technical name for them. That's what I call them. There's a sticky mount. Now this should be USB. That was an ambulance outside. But anyways, this should be USB to USB-C GoPro. See if I can get a little better light on that. That's what it looks like. That is not micro USB. It's USB-C, which is better. And let's get our little tiny pal out of here. Our little camera. Which is in its case here. See if I can take it out of its case. Which this is waterproof right out of the case, by the way. I believe it's up to 33 feet. Here's the cradle. Here is, let me try to focus that in. There we go, there's the cradle. Here's the stand mount. And here's the GoPro Session Hero 5. Now, as you can see on the side, when a lot of people are selling these, they'll sell the 4, and all it says on the 4 is a GoPro Hero Session. It doesn't have that 5. When you're buying these, you want to make sure it has that 5 on there, because the 5 has image stabilization. It has 4K. It just is a very stable, very well-rounded camera. And now the reason I chose this can do all of my at-home needs of recording my videos. Also, when I go swimming, I can This can go underwater. Let's see here. Another thing. Let's see how this opens. Just push a button right there. The side opens, and it's ready for your micro SD cards. And with the micro SD cards, you want to get at least a class 10, because the speed does matter whenever you're recording video on these. So you want to at least get a speed 10. So here, we'll put this here, because there we go, that's focused in. So it has image stabilization, and it has 4K. You know, it's just a great camera. GoPro is known for the color profiles in their cameras too, because they're usually much better than the other action cameras. There's just too many good things I can say about these GoPros. You know, they're not the best cameras ever, because, you know, they do have professional cameras that are like DSLR cameras that are like, you know, over $1,000. But, you know, if you're doing this as a hobby and you don't want to spend a whole lot, then this is the way to go. And me personally, this was my camera of choice, because this block, this Hero 5, in every way is 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch. It's very light. It's just a couple, it's like 76 grams or something like that. But anyway, you could actually put it in a gimbal on a drone. And, you know, I do fly drones and things too. So, you know, that's good for me that way. And also I'm going to start doing underwater pictures. And, you know, these are waterproof straight out of the box. You don't need to buy any third-party case or anything to put on this. It's just ready to go under the water. The thing you want to do, though, like I said, you want to get a class 10 SD card, which, you know, they've come down in price a lot. I think you can get a 64 gig I seen for like 13 bucks. The 128 gigs around a little over 20, maybe $22. So it's not that bad. I'm going to be testing out the battery life on this and give you guys an updated review in a couple of days. This was the unboxing. So, about that guy on eBay. Yeah, he seems to buy these in bulk, and he's got very good feedback, and he stands behind his products. Now, I don't work for him or anything. I just found a good deal, and I just want you guys to know about it too. Because, you know, when you're creating your content on YouTube, you want the best kind of camera you can get to capture. You know, this will enable you to, you know, like I said, to get a camera that suits you. He doesn't only have Hero Session 5s. He has, you know, about any kind of GoPro that you want for a good price. You should definitely check out all of the GoPros this guy has. I will put the link to what he has in the comment section. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I know I have, probably a lot more than you guys, and I'm gonna start charging this thing and check it out, and I'm gonna start doing my videos with it instead of my phone. Anyways, just so freaking happy about that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, tell your friends about my channel, and don't forget to comment. Give me some feedback. I will see you guys later.